In this video, I'm going to show you the Animbrush technique, which you can use to make animated lines like these just by drawing in the space. This technique is very easy to use and very powerful. The first thing you want to do is create a new layer and fill it with empty frames. You can do this by pushing up on the left analog stick. Make sure to set the layer to loop by hitting this button here. Now, by playing the animation and drawing with the paint tool, it'll create strokes on those empty frames. The length of the strokes can be controlled in the Tools window with the animated brush duration bar. The longer you make it, the longer the strokes will stay on the screen. You can vary the effect by controlling the brush size while you're drawing. It's important to keep in mind that the frame rate of the scene will have a big impact on how smooth the movement is. If you want to animate something like a ball bounce, you can simply hit play and then draw the trajectory of the ball bounce like this. Or maybe you want to quickly plan out the trajectory of a character through an environment. You can find some great examples for this in the animatic that Dan Frank made for the Slushy music video. You can also export these lines into a software like Maya, where you can use them as animation reference. Another popular use for this technique is to make special effects like rain. Using this technique, you can quickly draw the trajectory of raindrops. With this trick, you can create rain in seconds. By setting a very low animated brush duration, you can even make things like flies. Or use a similar technique with a longer brush duration to make things like stink lines. You can even use it to make effects like fire. With a bit of added color dodge, you can complete the illusion.